Hello dear all, welcome to Career Bridge, ICD's innovative program to groom young children. I have been a career guide for the past 25 years. I have been making people prepare for competitive examinations for the past 25 years. I have seen hundreds of people, young graduates, very nice people, going through my hand and succeeding in their lives. But I have always thought, if they had come to me earlier, at their younger age, it would have been much better and my job would have been much easier. Most of the students have got excellent academic records, but what they lack are two things. One, their interest levels are very minimum. Two, they are less connected to the world. If these two things can be ironed out, then the sky will be the limit for them. Through Career Bridge, this is what we aim at. We will groom them. We will improve their range of interests, and we shall ensure that they become people with wide range of interests. In this video, I am going to tell you about why the course, who should join the course, what do we cover, how do we groom, and what are the prospects. So let us discuss one by one. What is this course? As I told you clearly, Career Bridge is going to help young children in a significant way in choosing their career, in making a good career. Who should join? Ongoing graduates of any discipline can join this course. The earlier the better. From first degree onwards, if you can join, that is a better thing. The course duration is 1 year. We have divided this 1 year into 52 weeks. Every week we shall provide you with nearly 6 hours of videos, meaning hardly 45 minutes, maybe 50 minutes per day you have to spend. If you spend 50 minutes per day and religiously follow them, in that 1 year time you will understand that you are growing slowly, covering significant improvement in your personality. Personality is something well connected with your level of knowledge, your level of comfort. So your comfort level will go up as your knowledge level and information level pick up. So ongoing graduates from first degree onwards can join this course. I know that I have got many inquiries for even parents of even +1, +2 students. Okay, let them also. The earlier the better. So they will get a better vision about their future. That is what we aim at. In this course, we shall have a session of knowledge information improvement. Every week we shall come out with 1 or 2 videos, maybe about goods and services tax, maybe about the fundamental rights, maybe about vitamins. So we keep in mind the future examinations. By the time you graduate, you will have an excellent idea about competitive examinations. It may enliven the spark in you. We shall teach you a little bit of commercial arithmetics. We shall put a lot of emphasis on English language. Mind you, without effective English, you cannot survive in this modern world. English is the lingua franca of the world. So we will be giving an excellent emphasis on English language. We shall teach you grammar fundamentally. We shall give you innumerable small tests. We shall introduce new words, idioms, phrases. So you can learn at your ease and pace. Career Bridge will definitely help you immensely in improving your personality. And I'm very sure that you will become a confident graduate. Not just a graduate with a lot of marks, but with a graduate with good content. And this is going to transform you, I'm sure. I'm sure that a person who goes through this particular course will choose his own career, and what he requires will be only a final push after his graduation. So welcome all of you to Career Bridge, and my advice to parents is to encourage the students to join the program and monitor how they progress and how they get involved. Thank you very much.